You know how every year retail shops have the same styles and the same colors? How do they get that memo? Today, we're going to talk about fashion forecast for businesses. Let's get started. It done? Who sets the styles, the trends, the colors? There are two ways, from top bottom and from bottom up. From top bottom, we look at textile companies and forecast agencies. They always studying the trends and the consumer to come up with a new forecast. From bottom up, we look at the consumer, like influencers. We see what the most popular trends are and what they're gonna need next. Manufacturers, they visit the textile shows 1 year to 1 year and a half prior to the final sales to get their forecast. Retail shops, they visit the garment shows 6 months to a year prior to the final sales to get the latest trends. The first name to keep in mind is Pantone. Pantone sets the colors.
Every industry is influenced by Pantone. Every year, towards the end of the year, Pantone releases the color of the year for the following year. 2021 got two colors, Illuminating and Ultimate Gray. They're trying to bring some happiness into the pandemic world, so they thought that yellow, it's a very happy color. And gray, it is strength. Just visit Pantone.com for more information. I'll leave the link in the description. And why Pantone? Pantone has a global universal system in place with numbers. All industries use this system. If I need to have a garment made in another country and I need to tell them what color, I just refer to the Pantone color number. Instead of sending them a swatch, what would take forever, now I can just send them a number and they know exactly what color to make the garment. You can order the swatches from Pantone, but I just use the screen, because of distortions. They want you to order the color from them and then you have the actual color in your hand. But I use the screen color and I usually do a pretty good job matching it. So just visit Pantone.com. I'll leave the link in the description for you.
The next thing to look for if you are a manufacturer of garments are the textile shows. They provide a lot of forecast information and also a lot of free forecast information that I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you. But at the textile shows, you have all the fabric vendors, you have lots of seminars and garment factories in case that you want to arrange and get to know some factories to make your garment. Normally you have to be a business or a student to sign up, but they have lots of stuff out there that you can have access to it if you don't have that. I personally have been to so many shows that at this point I know what I want and I know where to go for what I need, so I don't usually take too long on the shows. But now these shows are held online. I participated in a Texworld this week and I love it because of the pandemic. Things are changing. The supply chain definitely has been broken. So I really wanted to educate myself where we're going from here.
Textworld is one of the biggest shows in the industry. They have all price points and all kinds of fabrics. Great, awesome seminars. I'll leave the link in the description for you of Textworld. And they just showed spring summer of 2022 and they have a book out that you can access. I'll leave the link in the description also of forecast for spring summer 2022. Another show that I personally like a lot, it's Premier Vision. But Premier Vision, I find that geared more towards couture. You can find the real fancy fabrics here, the laces, and very nice linens I found last time I was there. The fabrics are usually from Europe, and they are gorgeous, and the price point is high, but they also have awesome seminars. So if you are in a couture business, in a special garment, wedding gowns, or custom dresses, this is a great show for you.
Two very important companies in Textworld that give out a lot of information. See, the textiles are interested in educating the manufacturers so that they can sell the fabrics. So these companies put out a lot of nice, great forecasts, and some of them are available online for you to take a look at it.
Lenzing is the leading in sustainable textiles. They usually put together lots of the education at Textworld. They have awesome fabrics, and they give a lot of free forecast. For 2021, that is a nice forecast on fashion trendsetter. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, but I really love these color schemes that they put together. Every year they do that, every season they do that, and they make available for anybody online, and I use their color scheme a lot. They do a real good job. They also have a lot of information on Pinterest. They already have the 2022 on Pinterest, so you can just go on Pinterest and look for Lenzing colors. And let's not forget Vogue. They are always committed to deliver the latest in fashion. If you go to Vogue Runway, you can actually see all the runway shows.
Donegal Group, it's another big name in the industry. They were the ones also giving out a lot of seminars at Textworld. They are the leading source for global trends in the fashion industry. I am very happy and excited that I attended Textworld. It was very enlightening. And if I have to resume, I will resume in 3 categories with 1 word for each category. Color, I say happy. Styles, I say comfortable. And future of fashion, I say sustainability. I am very excited. I don't think it's ever been a better time for small businesses. More and more, the future of fashion is going to be from the bottom up, from the consumer needs. Definitely versatility and flexibility, more exclusive, less inventory, less trend, and more timeless, which I love it. I love timeless pieces. And sustainability is the future of fashion. I can do a whole video just on that because I am in love with everything. I wanted to take that further in my business, implementing more and more of that, because sustainability, it is a way of life. It doesn't just happen. It takes time. So if you did like this video, just comment down below. If you need any information about anything, just hit me up. And if you have not done so, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I launch a new video. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.